Hi, this is Manesh Patel with blackbar.com. Today is September 5th. We had a pretty average week here. You kind of expected that because you're getting pretty much towards the middle of September. Remember, September, October, you typically have a little downturn. Most likely will probably happen more towards the end of the month when you have option expiry, which is pretty much 3 weeks into the month. It's also quadruple witching, which is pretty much end of the quarter and sometimes even end of the year for a lot of companies out there. Remember, this is our weekly post where we show you what our AI forecasting tool can do. It's a black bar on the chart. If you have a green background, you're going to bet on it going up. If you have a red background, you're going to bet on it going down. If you have no background, you're going to wait for a drawdown and then break the higher low of the black bar to enter the trade. Forecasting is key because you have a list of instruments to trade and you're not wasting time looking at any junk. Remember, if you keep on looking at a lot of junk charts, you're not going to be a very effective trader at all. So let's go through and look at this week's results. Here you could see the results here. Pretty much this week we ended up with 12 winners, 4 break even, and 2 losses. Not bad at all. We typically average around 19 to 22 winners on average, but this is a little slow here. So let's go look to see exactly what happened here. And let's see how many are bullish and bearish. Remember, so far in the weeks, we've been getting a lot of bullish, so that tells us the market's still going up. Markets did close out positive too after a pullback during the week. So let's see what happens. MMC was a bearish trade, that was a winner. DGX was a bullish trade, winner. FSLR bullish, winner. DHR was bearish. This was O was bullish. This was bearish. DLR. We had a currency in here. Barely made it a little profitable here. Still, markets are still open here, but that could be break even. Over here, this here was a no trade here. I'm not sure why it's showing up as a positive winner here. That's a no trade right there. This was a bearish trade, that's a winner. This is break even. This here is break even. And this was a minor loss here. As you can see here, it leaped in and then pretty much didn't get to our break even level at all. These are consolidation patterns, and if you look at the trending ones, we have a mixture between bullish and bearish, so it wasn't one-sided at all. So the kind of telling you behind the scenes the market's getting a little toppy out there, so be very careful in thinking about long-term bullish positions right now. CLAC here was bullish, IBM was bullish, DRI was bullish here. This really did go bearish, but we didn't enter because it didn't give us a drawdown. ADP was another one that we didn't enter, it didn't give us a drawdown. CB was basically break even here. Pound CAD here was break even here, and RRC was basically a loss here. So if you look at the results here, going back to this was really here. This was about 11 winners here, 4 break even, and 2 losses. So not bad for the week, not that great, but not bad considering markets are getting topped out, and also markets kind of drove up a little yesterday and today. We had a short week also due to Labor Day weekend. If you guys have any questions, please respond in the comments. Please also like and share this video too. Thank you.